What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to prevent your iPhone from randomly restarting. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, let's ensure your iPhone has enough resources to function properly. Close all background apps by swiping up on the app switcher and swiping away any open apps. When this is done, ensure enough device storage by going to your iPhone settings, General, iPhone Storage. Make sure you have at least 10% of your total storage available. If not, consider deleting unused apps, photos or videos to free up some space. A low battery or interference from other devices can sometimes cause random restarts. Ensure your device is sufficiently charged. Aim to keep your battery level above 20% to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Disconnect all other devices such as Bluetooth headphones or speakers, as they might be causing interference. Sometimes, a misconfiguration in your settings can cause your iPhone to restart randomly. Head back to your iPhone settings. In the General section, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset All Settings and confirm your decision. Keep in mind that this will reset all your settings to default, but it won't delete any data or apps. Lastly, outdated software might be causing instability. Check for any available software updates by going to the Software Update section of your settings. If an update is available, install it and restart your iPhone. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.